VGR Vector Group. Here's what I'm seeing on Market Watch. It says that it's a holding company which engages in the distribution of tobacco products. It operates through the following segments: tobacco, real estate, and corporate and other. The tobacco segment, I'm not sure what brands they have, but consists of manufacture and sale of cigarettes. And the real estate segment includes acquisition and investments in real estate properties and projects. The company was founded in 1980 and has headquartered in Miami, Florida.
Nice.
Okay.
All right.
$2 billion market cap, $2 billion in revenue, PE of 22.8x, profit margin of 4.6x. 2x's to start. Free cash from last year, $236 million. So already, guys, it's less than 10 to 1 on free cash flow, which I like a lot. And the average of the last 5 years, though, is 154, which is still less than 20 times. So it'll be a check on the last thing. Dividend yield. Oh boy, that's a big one. Big dividend yield. $122 million they pay out a year, which is a big chunk of the 5-year average, but not as, it's only half of the last year's free cash flow. Return on invested capital and return on assets are kind of low, sub 10%. We don't like that, but it is what it is. So far, one check, two X's so far. Not off to a good start, but doesn't mean we're done with it yet because they do have real estate, which means they have depreciation, which skews the number. Revenue, 1.7 to 2 billion. Check mark there over 5 years. Slight check, not much growth there, but it's still growth. Profit, 71 to 93. Now, since they have real estate, I'm going to look at this bottom number, EBIT, of 269 to 256. That's an X, actually, guys. We're still going to count as a check, but their actual profit before depreciation, after depreciation, by the way, I should have looked at EBITDA. Still the same thing.
EBIT.
Yeah, that's weird. They don't have, This is weird.
Why?
It's just weird. They're saying there's no depreciation here. Okay. Shares outstanding. X, 144 to 152. Have we had a check mark yet?
No.
Yeah, we have. We had revenue and profit up. It's just funny because it's like a lot of X's here.
First two are no good.
Balance sheet. 750 million versus 392. Check mark there. Awesome. Cash flow. Definite check marks here. So the cash flow statement. 103 million to 236, check mark there. And the 154 million average over the last 5 years times 20 is $3.1 billion, which is a check mark because it's currently selling for $2 billion. So, guys, it's currently selling. Last year's free cash flow was 236 million. It's a $2 billion company. 2 billion divided by 236 million is what? Almost 8, a little over 8. 8.1, I don't know what the number is. 8.1, whatever it is. That's really low. That's single digit. Whenever you can get a single digit free cash flow, we like that a lot. So here's my bias showing up here. 8 pillars. We have a few X's here. What I love is the historical free cash flow is 13.8, and the last year's is 8. I'm going to look at this company further. They have low return. So here's the deal. When you have low return on invested capital, you need to get a really good deal in the company because they're not able to take their cash flow and reinvest it at high levels, but they are paying a nice dividend out. So I want to understand more about what businesses they're in and see the sustainability of the growth in them because those numbers are pretty attractive. Mo, what do you think?
From your perspective?
No, from your perspective.
So, okay, before I do the technical, because we have something here. Hit the like button, tickle that thing, and remember, the Patreon is going after April 15th. It's going into the 20s, so get in there now, and you get everything. So with this, I like that we are turning into a short, and we just did it 2 days ago. So we are in short territory. If we can get engulfing candlesticks moving down like this, red ones, I want to take out this low of 1325. We can definitely short this thing. So this is something for the Bid and Ask Nation. Somebody put it in the chat. You guys can talk about this, learn from this. Bogdan, you'll probably lead this thing. Bogdan is the shorting champion, and your bid and ask difference is 1 cent. This is perfect, picture perfect. So go at this, guys. This is a really good one. Sign up for the Patreon, hit the like button. Thank you.
Thanks so much for watching the video. We hope you were intrigued. If this style of investing speaks to you, click the link below to join our Patreon. As a patron, you get access to a wonderful community of like-minded investors where you can chat, connect, ask questions, and share ideas with badasses like you all over the world. The best part is you get the amazing Everything Money software. This is revolutionary, unlike any YouTube page. You can track your investments, look at stocks, and quickly run our 8-pillar analysis on any company you like. The top tier patrons get direct access to Paul and Trader Mo. You'll see their daily trades, their updated portfolios, and every options contract they write on a daily basis. We provide Patreon exclusive videos just for you, including live streams and exclusive content from our team. Our bottom patron tiers fill fast, so join today. But hey, if you don't believe me, look at all of our patrons' amazing success stories. In comparison to other financial platforms, our software is by far the best value. This is your chance to get serious about investing. If you're finally ready to level up your investing game, join our Patreon and let's start kicking ass together.